everybody, we got ourselves the first unboxing in quite a while. It's a long one. Big, long unboxing. So we're going to break out the old Leatherman. We're going to cut this fishing rod box open. Now, this is that Abu Garcia on sale one. Really going to look at it because it was really cheap from Abu. So I don't think I have any snips near me, so we'll use these. It's packaged really well. That's always a good sign. It didn't come in two pieces because it's a one piece. Never want one piece to come in two. So, you really don't want to rip this off. You might take a guide off. Yeah, sort of work it over it like socks. All right. So, this is the Blue Max. Now, I told you guys, right now, this is $55. Basically, it's the price of the reel, so you get the rod for free. Really good deal. So, let's take, I don't know how the rod is. Let's first look at the rod. Make sure the guides are lined up. They look real good. Let's look at the backbone on it. It's a medium heavy. So, it's about a third way down. So your backbone's going to be right past the second guide. So, it's stiff, which is good. For a medium heavy, you want it to be a little stiff. All right. Now let's look at this. It's a 7-to-1 ratio, which is good. Very workable, 7-to-1. I like the split grips. Grip feels good. It feels like EVA foam. A little bit more of a, almost feels like a neoprene, but it's real soft. Nice, good click on it. Let's look at the brakes. Let's look at the brakes. How do you open this thing? Let's get this off. I'm going to take the reel off so I can really analyze it. Feels light enough. The rod is super light. Great for a medium heavy, by the way. All right. How do you open the spool on this thing? So that's its brakes. Where's the opening? How do you open this thing? Huh. Okay. And a little bar right here. Push it down on it, and it opens it up. Voila. Those are our brakes. So we get 5 magnets, which is fairly standard. This feels pretty heavy. So you're not going to throw, well, technically, they put it on a medium heavy, so this isn't going to be an ultralight. You're not going to throw really light bait on this. So basically, you're going to go about probably lightest an 1/8 ounce, but probably a 1/4 ounce on this particular reel. So let's look at the brakes. It's got good movement on the brakes. Been a while since I analyzed something, because I have a lot of stuff. Feels good. No play in the handle at all. This could do really good, guys. I like the nice solid click on the release. Let's see. Not bad. Probably needs a little lube. I got some oil. Put it in there. It's a good looking piece, though. I mean, that's a good looking piece. So, it is an Abu Garcia. So, this right here is our rod. The fit and finish looks real good on the rod. I love the design, this black and blue on it, and the grip feels really good. Probably one of my favorite grips right there. Wow, the grip feels great. Worth 55 bucks. Like I said, the rod's free. Go to Abu Garcia. I also got that spinning outfit too for $35. They give you a 2000 reel, and I picked the light rod, so it's going to be a trout rod for myself. Wow. We'll do a little give you a year warranty with it. Blue Max. 4 stainless steel ball bearings plus 1 roller bearing, and that's all you need. When you start getting more than that, they start putting bearings in strange places like the knobs, and they count it. 1-piece graphite frame, that's the reel. Power disc drag system, gives smooth drag performance. Duragear, brass gear for extended gear life. 24-ton graphite for lightweight balanced design. Stainless steel guides with titanium oxide inserts on that. So mono capacity, which I don't use, but mono, they 12-pound mono, 145 yards. Braid, 30-pound braid, which on this, yeah, that sounds about right, 140 yards. So that is the details. A limited 1-year warranty. So for the real manual, please visit our website. Yeah, they don't give you nothing. Everything's done that way nowadays. You notice that? I don't want to spend money on printing. Oh, spider web. I am in the basement. All right, so that's that. That's neat. This weekend, I will be on the Rogue River. So that'll be fun. We're going to try some of those trout boxes. You know, these things that I made. We're going to try that. We're going to see if that catches anything on the Rogue. I think it will. So, all right, guys, take care. We'll sting it and post it.